Hello everyone, welcome to our third video. In our third video, we are going to see and look at users and roles. We shall see the roles and permissions and then see how we can add or invite users. So we shall open our Zoho Books and again go to your settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen, and then proceed to look for where we can actually identify where the users and roles are. So the users and roles is right here where we shall the taxes and compliances, and then down it you shall find the users and roles. So you click on your users and then see the kind of settings that we have under the users. Like we said, from our users, we shall see how we're going to invite or add users, or we shall look at the roles that we give these different users that we have here. So we shall invite a user, or you can invite an accountant depending on your organization or depending on your preferences. So we can invite an accountant and you indicate the name of the accountant, and then you save and continue by sending them an email. So you can select their locations. Of course, we shall use the head office location like we had already sent, and as we had already set before, which is our head office, because we shall use it as our point of uh, center point of studying. So you send an invite to that um to that to the person that you want, the accountant or even a user. So you can also invite a user by clicking, and then you indicate their name and their email address, and the role could be like an admin, a staff, or a timesheet staff, depending. So you can invite the users according to the nature of your business, in regards to the subscription that Zoho Books provides you with. So this is how you're going to invite or add users to your Zoho Books. But for study purposes, we shall only stick to one user, and in case we want to add more, we shall still come back and add, and we shall still come back and add any other user. And the most important part is us knowing where we can find all this information from. So we can close this, and then you can come to the roles and add the roles that the roles of these different users that you sent invitations to. So as you can see here, we have an accountant, a staff, and an admin. Some of the descriptions have been put here. You can either edit or you clone them. However, if you want to indicate a new role for any of these invitations, a new role to the persons or people that you sent invitations to, you come to the extreme right corner of your Zoho book screen and click on it, and it will give you a few features of the roles that can be added or can be removed in regards to the role. So you can have here the role name. It could be like the staff or the timesheet staff or the payroll staff, and then um you indicate the kind of role that you'd want them to take. So if it's for accountant, as you can see, this role is for accountant users. If you mark this option, all users who are added with this role will be an accountant user. So you can see we have different roles that like full access to customers, the vendors. Of course, an accountant must have access to all those people so that they can have correct correct transactions recorded. And then you can see we have the items due, full access to inventory should you view or create them. We have banking, we have sales where we have the invoices, customer payments. So you come and create them, and you either come and check them or you remove them. You either check or you remove. So we shall check this. So this is how you can add extra roles or permissions to the staff or to the new people that you have invited to your business. And once you're done with that, you can save your work. You will save the settings that you have set, and in case of any edits that you want to do, you come right here and you will remove you come right here and you edit it accordingly so that you do not make any mistakes while the business is carrying out its routine activities. So that is it about the roles and users, where we are inviting users and also seeing any kind of permissions that we can give all permissions that we give these roles as per Zoho Books. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope you are enjoying the process.